everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I am Nicole from my Pandora Charmed Life. Today's video is going to feature how to open Pandora bracelets. Now, if you're a longtime Pandora user, you might think it's pretty self-explanatory, Nicole, but you would be surprised how often I get asked how to open certain bracelet types. So, for those of you new to Pandora, for those of you who haven't checked out like the new types of bracelets the new types of bracelets that Pandora is putting out, this is going to be a how to open your Pandora bracelet. I think I have a pretty good variety of just the different types of Pandora bracelets, so hopefully I can touch on each of the different options that you have. If you have a clasp that's not featured here, let me know. I'd like to know what other types of clasps there are out there. Jumping into the first bracelet type is the Lobster Clasp. So this was one of Pandora's original bracelets, and they first started with a lobster clasp. This is probably the clasp most people are familiar with. I will tell you, on a Pandora bracelet, it is extremely hard for me to put this on by myself. So your lobster clasp bracelet, let me get closer. Here's your lobster clasp. This one just has a tiny little notch that you pull back here and slide through. So again, on the lobster clasp, tiny little notch, pull back, and put back on like so. Not my favorite bracelet. The next bracelet type is one of Pandora's most common. This is the barrel clasp. I happened to pick one that has pink CZs on it, but majority of the clasps operate just like this, whether it's the barrel, the hearts. They have a tiny little notch. You can see right there. You can really just put your fingernail through it, but for the sake of not messing up my nail polish, I like to use one of their clasp openers, whether it's the heart one or the flower one. People use guitar picks, credit cards. They just open like so. Again, get the little corner of the heart, stick it in the slot, and open like so. You're going to see the same thing on Pandora's bangles. All the bangles that I've come across, as long as they're not essence, open the same way. So this is a ball clasp, but still has that same notch. And again, you get the corner of your little heart, poke it in, and it pops right off. Right, so when you move to the mesh bracelets, and I've actually, this clasp is only like this on my silver one. On my Pandora Rose one, it's just like the bangles, but you'll see it looks very similar, right? It's a ball, has a little notch, so let's open up the notch. The part that is different on here is going to be the side. So see, you have to go in here, to go in and up. It's got like a little in and up. I don't know how else to explain it, but you gotta go in and up. So you have to like go inside there. That makes these ones a little bit more complicated to clasp, but other than that, they're the same. My beaded essence one is just the same. So again, you have the ball, let's get the little notch in there, open, but then to take this out, you kind of gotta work around. I think it adds like a second layer of security, but it does make these ones a little bit more difficult to open and close. Open bangles. Open bangles, you don't need a gadget. We'll set that aside. Open bangles have these little balls on the end, the little end caps, and what you do here is you push and turn. Then to put back on, you push and turn. You can hear it kind of click when it's secure. I guess I'd say you can feel it. So pretty secure, but there is a little pushing motion. that has to take place and turn. One of my newer bracelets that I got is the open bangle in essence, and me and my sales associate were actually like, how do you take this off? We see it's solid here, and we see that something comes off here. There is the tiniest little notch that I'm gonna just use my fingernail that just opens like so, and the little ball comes off, and then it opens up the end of the essence bracelet to be able to slide your charms on and off. But holy cow, you guys, this is like the world's tiniest little ball. So you want to be very careful to not misplace this. But it's just a tiny little ball that goes right on there and clasps shut. And one other bracelet, it's not a Moments bracelet, but it is a Pandora bracelet. It's their Radiant Hearts of Pandora bangle. Has this little notch right here, and you just go like that. Clicks back together, pinch this little notch that way to open, and close like so. The final bracelet that I have to show you is the sliding bracelet. This one's on a leather, but I believe the sliding silver ones work the same way. And these ones, if we can focus here, these ones here have this tiny little notch too that you just push back, see it open a little bit, and then it comes off. So again, this little notch, you just push till it opens, put back on, you hear a little click. Do it again. Oops. And there you go. That is how you open these. It does it on both ends. So let's open, pull, shut. Oopsie. And shut. To make sure they're secure. So this was a pretty quick video that some of you may find helpful, some of you may not, but I just wanted to share the different types of clasps that Pandora has and how you open them. So hopefully this video is helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment if this was helpful, because I would like to know. Some people ask for some very basic Pandora videos. I would like to continue making them, so if it's helpful, let me know below. And as always, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.